Hello everyone, this is Radu. I want to wish you guys a happy new year. I hope you have as much success as possible, and I hope this will be the year in which you achieve your dreams. I myself and Irina have had a small vacation in which we had some time to relax. This is the last day of our vacation, and so I thought I would make a video for you guys answering the most asked question I got on YouTube, and that this question came from people outside of the EU, people from India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. You guys are asking me what is the process that you have to undertake in order to work as a doctor in Switzerland. So there is a recognition process for people from non-EU states, which is called the indirect or non-direct recognition process. There are a few conditions that you have to meet in order to apply for recognition as a non-EU member. One is that you or your spouse have a Swiss citizenship or a citizenship from a country recognized by Switzerland, and this is usually a country from the European Union or an EFTA state. EFTA states are Liechtenstein, Norway, and a few others, which I don't know right now. The second step is that your diploma gets recognized by a committee which checks and sees if the medical studies which you did in your home country are in conformity or are on par with the medical studies you would have done had you studied in Switzerland or in the European Union. I also had to do this myself. I got my diploma recognized, and I received a certificate of conformity, and with this certificate I could apply for recognition in Switzerland. This certificate proves that the medical studies that I did in Romania are the same as the medical studies I would have done in Switzerland. The third condition that you have to fill out The third condition that you have to meet is you have to have worked 3 years in a country recognized by Switzerland, so a country in the European Union or an EFTA state. The EFTA states are countries like Norway, Liechtenstein, so countries that are not in the European Unions but have certain agreements with the European Union. So if you come from India and you have studied there, if you have come to the European Union and you have worked, for example, in Germany for a period of 3 years in the last 5 years, then you can get your medical degree recognized in Switzerland as well. So these are the 3 main conditions. About the first condition, I don't know for sure, but I don't think it is mandatory for you or your spouse to have a Swiss or EU citizenship, because I know I have a lot of colleagues which don't have such a citizenship and are still able to apply for the recognition process. However, there is another step that is mandatory, and that is there is a exam, the Swiss state exam, which all medical students which have studied in Switzerland must pass in order to work as a doctor. When you come from a non-EU state, you must pass this exam. The good part about this is that you can come here, apply for the recognition process with all necessary documents, and start working. And in a period of 3 to 5 years, you must pass this exam. In this period, although you are not officially recognized as a doctor in Switzerland, you can still work as a resident doctor under medical supervision. This is the name which is given to this special clause. And when you apply for recognition in Switzerland, a medical committee will oversee your documents and everything that you have studied in your home country. And then they will tell you exactly which exams you have to take and which not, or which parts of the exams you have to take and which not. I don't know the exact details, I don't know, for example, if you can take just a small part of the exam of the things maybe Switzerland thinks you did not study in your home country. I don't know a lot of details about this. But you can assume that when you come here from a non-EU state, that you will come here and you will take the full state's exam, and you have to pass that in order to be recognized as a doctor. After you have completed all these steps, then you will receive your MEBECO recognition, and you are officially a doctor in Switzerland. That's it for today's episode. I hope you guys like the contents of this channel. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel. Post your comments, your questions in the comment section below, and I will do my best to answer the most frequent questions you guys ask me in a separate video. Alright, I wish you guys again a happy new year and a pleasant day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.